Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you, but we always smiling. And today, like, I have a really good reason to smile because today is Judah's birthday. Happy birthday, baby. Like, I'm really happy for today. I mean, the day started off a little bit grumpy because skies are great, it's not sunny. And yeah, but first thing I did today was take my dogs to the vet. And of course, guys, I'm not gonna really show you that all the time, you know, me going to take my dogs to the vet. Whatever, but just an update. Took the two girls to the vet today. They both grew by 5 pounds each, and they had a little bit of tick problem. But I bought this thing called, because I've been searching for something affordable because it's 3 dogs and it's not so easy to take care of 3 dogs at once. And they had some NexGuard, which is like a chewable, but it only lasts for like a month, and that cost probably like 2,500. It's done by the weight. So if I wanted something for my dogs, hey, screen looks up there. As you guys can see, this is something I was trying to tell you guys about that happened to the camera. I'll go to the other camera real quick. Yeah guys, I don't even know what part of my story is at, but this camera at the moment is pretty much messed up. This is where you guys get most of your vlogs. I guess that's why in Jamaica we don't really have many vloggers, because this shit is like really expensive. So me and Judah were, you know, heading back in last night, and then, you know, she swore she saw a snake in the road, and me like I could believe. Well, not believe, because I knew it wasn't a snake, but I wanted to, you know, catch the footage. So I opened my camera case. And like I was like, yo, this don't make no sense because it was in the night, so obviously I couldn't see with this, so I decided to do it on Snapchat instead. I thought I closed the camera case, and then whoopsie daisy, this just went right out. So bruh, and it fell right into a puddle of water. So of course I gave it a quick turn on. I see that everything was okay, so I came home to put it in rice, turn it on. Put it in rice, left it overnight, turn it on, everything's functional, which is the best part, meaning that it turns on well. But then when I look inside is very cloudy. So you realize that the picture that you guys were seeing inside, it looked foggy, so inside it's really cloudy. It's not just here where I can just wipe this part. The messed up part is that I'm Jamaican, so it's not like I live in the US where I could like put like insurance on it and take it back in and change it. So at the moment I'm just watching some YouTube videos real quick. Here I see this video where pretty much what they do, because there's no way to get to the lens, so pretty much what they do, she drilled a hole into it.
And once you insert the Q-tip, rub it along the top of the glass and at the bottom to get any dust or particles off.
So that's pretty much what I'm gonna have to do when I get back. Today's Judah's birthday and whatever. So yeah. This camera though really and truly was supposed to be my main vlog camera, but I've been a little bit afraid to use it because it's bigger and people are gonna look upon me and be like, oh, what is this guy doing? And they have the mic on top and whatever. So I just use it for my main channel, but I guess luckily I have a secondary camera so I can still put you guys, you know, through. But I'm a little bit excited. I'm a strange person like that, where, you know, shit will happen and it's just like, yo, it's whatever, you know, what can I do? Because not I can buy back another vlog camera. But what's kind of exciting for me is like I'm gonna learn how to clean inside of the lens, so that's kind of interesting. But as I said, the best part about it is that it's not damaged. So, and what I always wanted, like I saw some other vloggers and their cameras look all beat up and mine was so pretty, and now mine has like a birthmark, well, a life mark, which is something strange about me too. Like sometimes when I have scars and stuff, I look at them, it's like, for me, it's like it shows that I was living. So I'm kind of excited about that. Strange, right? But yeah, so I gotta deal with that. I gotta fix that up and whatever. And yeah, life as a vlogger, guys. I'm telling you, man, y'all don't even understand. I'm not the only person who's had this problem. My friend Razor, he had a GoPro. There was a hole in it. Water ended up going to GoPro. It got messed up. But I told him about the rise thing, and he put it in the rise, and everything was, you know, it's working a little bit better. I think sometimes the noise is a bit messed up, but this is what we go through, guys, you know, to put the vlogs out there. So to the people who support, like really support the videos, like watch the ad so that we can like gain a little bit of revenue so that we can, you know, get the equipment and do these stuff. Yo, big up on yourself, like big man. And let me not forget to big up Carrie Eid. Like I remember she said like I never, you know, like said her name or whatever. Big up Carrie Eid. I think she's in Canada, if I believe. Sending out a lot of love to you. Thank you so much for the support. And of course Rose Marie Makeups, yo, big up yourself on that. I mean, Rose and I were having a conversation before, and she was like, yo, why not get a drone or whatever, you know, subscribers would help. And I was like, yo, you know, that would be cool. But I'm the kind of person, like, I at least want to, that's a long ass story, because I want a drone as well. So I just really hope this camera starts working, because it's really convenient. A really convenient vlog camera, enough to worry about nobody. But in my last vlog, in the dinner, as you guys heard, I'm getting more confident with vlogging where I don't care. Like I legit don't care if, you know, who's preying me or being like, yo, what is he doing? So I'll walk around with this big ass camera with a big ass mic. I don't care. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get ready for Judah's birthday. I'm gonna go bathe, go pick her up, and then taking you guys on an adventure. All right, guys. So I just got done showering really quick. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna pretty much do this vlog as two different vlogs. Today's December 11th. Day 11th of Vlogmas. So I'm gonna put our trip for Judah's birthday on another vlog, because this vlog is just about talking to you about like my whole camera situation and stuff. I mean, some persons I know are gonna be like, yo, why not do a GoFundMe or whatever the case might be, or want to understand my thinking of why not. And my thinking is this, guys. I want us to grow our channel, because yo, Jamaica is small, and this is not only just for us. There are other persons out there, because I don't know if you guys saw the Q&A where people asked like, oh, they thought Jamaica was more hostile. You get me? A lot of us want to see our country like get better, but how do we make it get better as individuals? You get me? I say, like, we need to be able to showcase our country and show people like, you know, what it is. And that's the beautiful thing about a vlog channel, well, a Jamaican vlog channel, which I realized, because this wasn't like my goal. Well, it was part of my goal, because like some people I work with, they always want to know about Jamaica. They keep on asking a lot of questions as well. I was like, well, that's another benefit. So I hope about the whole GoFundMe thing. In my head, I'm like, guys, yo, but YouTube is simple. Like, it's really freaking simple. When you're a part of a channel and you're a part of a family, you see me, and there's an ad that comes up, maybe it's a Suzuki Swift ad or a Quartz ad or whatever it is, whatever ad comes up, and you watch that ad, you see me, you are supporting your YouTuber. That's what you're pretty much doing. Instead of doing like a GoFundMe where you're gonna send $5, $50 or whatever, you can cheaply support someone, like achieve the goal or to make your entertainment a little bit better. So like, if we're doing that, and I mean, a lot of people might sit back and think in their head, I even hate having this conversation, because I don't like asking people to do anything. That's just me. I like doing stuff as much as possible on my own. Another thing is that, well, this might be a question that a lot of people want to know or understand about. I've been doing YouTube from, some people are like afraid to talk about it. I've been doing YouTube from January, and since I've been doing YouTube from January, I've made up about $106 from January. So it's been almost a whole year. $106. So when you think about it, you realize why there are not a lot of people who are consistent with YouTube. Because when you think about it, starting out is really freaking hard. And if you're gonna be doing it off the basis that I'm gonna make money or whatever, yeah. And as I said, like, I've seen my other friends, they've had their channels and they've had problems. Camera get damaged, you see me, trying to do stuff with other people, and it take trip, go all the way to Kingston for do whatever, and it really work out, you know. So it's like, yo, and this channel, Soai Vlogs, Soai Vlogs isn't the reason why I even got $106 really. Like, that came from my other channel, How's Ibby, on my hair tutorials, because I have a video that has like 85,000 views. And videos like that have those big amounts of views, then you start, you know, you'll see where, oh my gosh, you know, it will make you pay me $1 and stuff. So yeah, guys, if you want to support the thing or whatever, watch a few ads. I hate begging or I hate asking, but like watch a few ads on like when the ads start at the beginning or whatever. Watch a few ads, because this is how we actually get to kind of grow the thing. And my perspective, like the whole purpose of the vlog channel as well, I'm not even thinking about making money like when I get money to like to buy, you know, clothes and that crap. If you ask anyone who's been around me, my main purpose whenever I make earnings is to take a trip somewhere, show people stuff on whatever. One of my goals, I don't know if I'm going to even be able to do it, is like I want to take a trip with one of you guys. That's something I've been working on. Two things I've been actually working on, because I'm going to do giveaways. Consider this a soft announcement. I want to do 2 giveaways. One giveaway is, and I was saying it to Rose, we're having a conversation, and I said to her like, yo, you know, GoFundMe and that's really cool and whatever, but you know, I really want to give back to y'all before, you know, before anything. And I want to do a soft announcement, as I just said, to do shirts. I already made a design of the shirts. I mean, I'm gonna ask you guys for y'all opinion real quick. Let me try to pull up the design real quick. Alright, baby. This is a design that I've been working on. I want something like really simple that promotes the channel at the same time, but it's cool. And you know, like our mantra on this channel is love, nature, adaptation, LNA. So that's the first idea that I had. I might do a series of different designs, and guys, don't worry, I'm not trying to sell shirts or sell merchandise. This is going to be like completely free, and I want to do this to a few of my subscribers. Like, I definitely have an idea of who I just want to give it to without winning, but like I will do this for a few other people. So this is one thing I want to do, especially the people who I can't really like contact with right now, and that's like overseas. So I want to do that, and then I want to hopefully do like a summer trip. Do a summer trip where I can, you know, someone can win the trip with me somewhere in Jamaica, like something really cool. So that's been like the main focus of my revenues. Anything I get from YouTube, of course, is to do that. Isn't it? Or if I have like any equipment malfunctions and stuff like that. I hate doing this video right now. Like, I consider myself to be like a proud person. But yeah, guys, watch a few ads, you know, support the thing, and yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you for being a part of this, with the struggle and all this stuff. This is a part of life, and this is why life is so beautiful. Because if everything was easy, what's the point? Alright guys, love, nature, adaptation, and remember, I already said those 3 things, bro. Keep the link.
All I am is a man.